Parts of speech. In English, full explanation. Noun.
A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, idea, or feeling.
Types of nouns. Proper noun.
Names a specific person or place.
Example. Ali, London, Islam. Common noun. General names. Example. City, boy, car. Abstract noun. Ideas or feelings. Example. Love, freedom. Concrete noun. Things you can touch. Example. Table, water. Countable.
/ uncountable nouns.
Examples. Apple, countable, milk, uncountable. Pronoun. A pronoun replaces a noun to avoid repetition. Examples. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Types. Personal pronouns. I, you, he. Possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his.
Reflexive pronouns.
Myself, yourself. Demonstrative pronouns. This, that. Interrogative pronouns. Who, what.
Relative pronouns.
Who, which. Indefinite pronouns. Someone, everyone. Verb.
A verb shows an action or a state of being.
Examples. Run, eat, play, is, are, have. Types. Action verbs. Jump, write. State verbs. Know, feel, be. Helping verbs. Is, am, are, have, will. Modal verbs. Can, must, should. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. It tells which one. What kind? How many? Examples. Big, small, red, beautiful, 3. Types. Descriptive adjectives. Tall, happy, quantitative adjectives. Some, many. Demonstrative adjectives. This, that. Possessive adjectives. My, your. Interrogative adjectives. Which, what. Adverb. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells how. When. Where. How much. Examples. Quickly, very, now, here, always. Types. Adverb of manner. Slowly, fast. Adverb of time. Today, now. Adverb of place. Here, there. Adverb of frequency. Always, often. Adverb of degree. Very, to. Preposition. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun/pronoun and another word. It often shows time, place, direction, position. Examples. In, on, at, by, with, from, under, between. Examples. In sentences. The book is on the table. I will go to school. She came from Kabul. Conjunction. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses. Types. Coordinating conjunctions. And, but, or, so, yet. Subordinating conjunctions. Because, although, if, when. Correlative conjunctions. Either, or, neither, nor. Examples. I like tea and coffee. He came late because it was raining. Interjection. An interjection expresses sudden emotion or feeling. Examples. Wow. Oh. Hey. Alas. Great. In sentences. Wow. You did a great job. Oh, I forgot my keys.